Hey guys, we got some Pokemon cards.
Pokemon cards, guys. Pokemon cards.
So today we're going to be opening them.
Yeah.
I'm going to do my Burning Shadow ones first.
Burning Showers?
Burning Shadow? You want to go to Burning Shadows first? Okay, let's
Hey,
go.
it's Michael Vsauce. Alright.
Wow. Ow.
Okay, we got
The card trick in...
we
Ooh,
got a
in a-
Mega Mewtwo. A Mega Mewtwo, bro.
Should I give out the codes?
Oh yeah. I don't even think anyone's gonna use it.
Guys, there's the codes.
Swallow. I don't even know what they do.
All right.
So we got a Mega Mewtwo here. That's not a Mega Mewtwo.
I got a Dupiter.
Whoa!
A Tangela.
Whoa!
And then I got a Hoot Hoot. I've been getting so many of these in the Pokemon.
I got a Pencil.
Oh, I get a Rhyhorn.
You got a Pencil. Dude, another Mewtwo. Another Mewtwo.
There's my Rhyhorn, guys. And then,
Oh,
I got a Toxicroak. I'll take that.
I actually did get a Rhyhorn.
Oh, lit.
What?
There's my Toxicroak.
Oh, I got a potion.
I got a Psychic Energy.
Called
Weakness Spot. Oh, I got a Heatmore. I mean, I'll take it.
Oh. Escape up. Oh, look, bro.
Buffalo.
Ooh.
Okay, on to the Guardians Rising.
Oh, yeah.
Look.
There we go.
Oh, right off the bat, guys, we got a Slowpoke.
Gothia. Don't be goth kids. We got a Vulpix.
Here is
A
the
Fetchling.
code.
We got him a shot. Put them clothes on, boy.
There's a code.
We got a Fantop. A Weeping Bell. I got the Ella. Oh, snap, Wilsif. Got the Ella.
I got a Stuffle. I got a
Whoa.
Solanda.
Oh, snap.
Oh, you got a Sudowoodo, too.
And a Sudowoodo.
Got
And
this
a-
retard.
And a Max Potion. Wait, who's that?
I don't know. I got a Mudbray.
Boy, he gay. Boy, he's so gay, though. So, these are my best Pokemon that I got at.
Okay. Yeah, we really shouldn't have bought these.
Because he got, like, clappy.
I mean, at least I got a Toxicroak. We should have bought that Tyranitar box.
I know. Wait, whoa. My best Pokemon is freaking this.
Trash. Bro, that's trash. You want to see mine?
I got a Gothella, a Glavel, but my packs were like always better than his. Hype the Vipers, let's go.